AI solutions, AI automation, or AI optimization specialist. What's the difference? Which one is the most profitable and easiest side hustle or solopreneur business? The answer might shock you. Dive into the world of AI with me and discover which path could be your goldmine. Let's continue. Specialist in AI solutions. Designs custom AI applications. AI automation. Automates tasks to boost efficiency. AI optimization. Enhances AI systems for top performance. But which one is the best for your side hustle or solo business? Well, for me, the most profitable and easiest AI side hustle is the AI automation specialist. Automating tasks saves businesses time and money, making your services invaluable. There are a lot of AI tools that you can leverage even as non-techie. Want to learn more? Comment AAS for free training.